Yeah, you have to wrap up. As I said this morning when I came out, I was like, oh my God, this is amazing, there's something missing. And then I realised, no, get in, get the coat on, got here, had to get the coat on. I have another 2 jumpers underneath there. Now, you think we were that size, but we're not actually, because when we go to the toilet, the lavatory, we're stripping, we're in there for half an hour, and then we have to start and put it all back on again.
Yeah. What would it mean to you, like, if trading stopped on Moore Street? Would it?
I'd be heartbroken.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jesus, it's all I know. I don't know anything else, you know. It's all I know. And I enjoy coming down every day, even if it's raining, if it's snowing. I still come down, as my ma used to say, I was out hail, rain, sleet and snow. Yeah. You know, so, but when I left school at 12, I was brought straight in. So I've been here ever since. My auntie Mary brought me in to help, because my mother was gone to London on a holiday, and she says, come on in and help me. And I'm here ever since. I love to mix with people, I love that, and I love all the nationalities that come over. My customers are from all out there in the shops, GPO, they all come around, every nationality. I have them every day. They buy off. You actually know what they want. You'd see them coming and you'd say, put bananas in a bag for him, he's on his way up, you know. That's what you knew what he wanted, you know.
The kind of the lack of investment, is that upsetting?
Very upsetting. It really is. Like, they're just letting it go down. They're letting it go downhill. To me, I think they want us personally to walk away, but we won't be walking away. We're after sticking it out this long. But they need to do something, and they don't need to do it next year, they need to do it now. Definitely now.
And you kind of bring your grandchildren down here, how do they react to it?
They love it now. They come down in the summer, or if they're off school and the weather is okay. But they love it. Now, I had them down a while ago. Braxton is a bit shy, but Pippa and Dawson love it. She's a little loud one. And Dawson, as soon as he sees, his favourite thing to sell is pineapples for some reason. And as soon as he sees them, he's standing beside him. €1 the pineapples, fresh pineapples. So that's his little thing he loves to do. And another thing he loves to sell at Christmas is holly wreaths. And he stand beside the holly wreaths and he roar out, "Holly wreaths for sale." That's him. He's a little loud fella too.
And how do you perfect that kind of shouting out? Like, is it kind of you have to get your projection right, or what's the kind of secret to it?
Well, it's just something that we've always done. I was brought up listening to me mum, my Aunt Mary, my granny roaring out bananas, apples and oranges. And it's just something we continue to do. So it's just part of us, part of what we are.